Ayun, no? Tayo fishing, oh. Kasama natin si Mark.
Shout out!
Ayun,
Mga ka-Berks!
First fishing of the season. Ice fishing. Windy. Cloudy pa. Mamaya baka mag-snow.
Gamitin ko na rin sa akin.
Pero
Ito, madaling vlogger.
iyan, no? So, ano tayo? Ayan ang ating fishing rod. Ginamit natin yung ating mini fish finder.
Hey Meta,
Hmm.
what's the weather today?
So, ayan.
Winnipeg.
Mamaya, tingnan natin kung may kakagat. Inform namin kayo. Okay, Docs. Yun, no?
Si Pedro, may kumagat.
First catch of the season.
Oh, say hi.
Yun, no?
Congrats, Kuya Peter.
Effective ang ating
Fish finder.
Alright! Uy, pikiril!
Pukerel! Woo!
Shit!
Yeah! That's a good one! Woo! Kuni, 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 kuni! Kuni, lulusot! Lulusot! Nice one!
Nice!
Tingin. That's video.
Yun, no?
Congrats,
First
eh.
catch of the season.
Umilaw
Ice
ba?
fishing.
Umilaw.
Yeah, may ilaw.
Okay, that's video. Ang laki, oh! That's a good one.
Keeper!
Oh, yeah, for sure.
First catch of the season sa ice fishing, guys.
See? Nice.
Alright.
Kat, anong masasabi mo?
Good! Okay, kakunti. Pero ayun, meron. Ito kami, meron isa yun. Dala ni Mark. Ayan, aming pool. Shock namin. Ayan. Magpapakat pa tayo. Ayan, guys, magpapakat pa tayo. Malamig na, lakas ng hangin. Lakas ng hangin, tumaas ang temperature, bumaba ang temperature dito. So, isa kaisa. So, next time ulit, at least subukan natin lumakad. Okay. Nasa lupit namin, magpapakap na rin. So, susunod ulit. Susubukan natin at least nakapag-try. First time na ngayong season. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Mark. Yan, pauwi na kami. Si Mark, hila-hila yung kanyang ano. Hila-hila yung kubol. Yung sled.